How to add another Gmail account in Android phone. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Google, then click on top of your profile, then click on add account to device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, add your email or phone number. After you've done that, simply press on next. After you've pressed on next, located on bottom right corner of your screen, simply add your password and another Gmail account will be added in your Android phone. After it's added, you can simply use it in Gmail and other account. This is how to add another Gmail account in Android phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.